Here we got the Smith & Wesson M&P 1522. I did a couple upgrades to it. New grip. It's the UTG. It's kind of like a rubbery. I had to shave a little off of right here to get it to fit up in there right. Here we got the UTG little rail covers. They're kind of rubbery, match the grip. Here's the barrel cover that goes on there with a little set screw right there. Recedes back into the handguard here, about ½ inch. Got this, came with it too. Fits on the end of the barrel. Slide this back a little more, stick that on the end. Little set screw, you can put muzzle attachments, fake suppressors, real suppressors, whatever. Got just a cheesy scope, just a 4x zoom. Perfect for this gun though. This is very accurate, very fun. It's the funnest 22 I've ever shot. Very happy with it. The first one I got was actually right out of the box was jamming. About 2 jams every clip. So I returned it and got a new one. And this new one here, I can open this with one hand. Came with, when I opened it up, you can see all the springs in it are blue, and the other one they weren't. So whatever they figured out really helped, because since I got this, I've shot about 400 rounds and haven't had one problem. Just shoots flawlessly. Yeah, so keep posted. I'll have some more videos of me shooting it. I got a couple more upgrades coming. Got this pistol grip. I don't have it on right now. That's kind of fun. So yeah.
Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day